friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make Data Aalu Posto. This I have taken, this is the data from the saag. You can see this one, like this I have cut it. And some potatoes, cut up this size. Today I am going to make Data Aalu Posto. For this I need I've taken some garlic pods, put it in the mixie jar. Take some red dry chilies, about 5, and some posto. All this will be ground up. I'm going to grind all this now. So come on, let us start the recipe. Put some mustard oil. Put some panchphoran. Put the datas. Put the potatoes. And put some onions. Let all this fry all together. The data potato is fried up a bit. Now I will put in the posto. Mix it well, the posto along with the data and potatoes. Put some salt. Put the tomatoes cut up. Put some water. Cover it up and let it cook. My Data Aalu Posto is ready. Data Posto with potato is ready. You can see how yummy, how tasty is looking. This is a Bengali dish. If you like my channel, please like, subscribe, comment, share. And thank you for watching my video.